You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. On Wednesday, the Bank of Japan raised interest rates and presented a detailed quantitative tightening plan, taking another significant step towards ending a decade-long period of massive stimulus. This decision, which did not match the expectations of most analysts, increased the short-term interest rate to levels not seen since 2008. During the two-day meeting, the bank's board of directors, by a majority vote, decided to raise the target overnight rate level to 0.25%. In addition, a quantitative tightening plan was approved, which provides for a reduction in monthly bond purchases by about half. The yen reacted to the news with an increase of 0.8% to the highest in 3 months, around the level of 151.60 yen per US dollar. However, almost immediately, the price returned to previous levels. The restrained market reaction may be, among other things, due to the lack of certainty about the decision of the U.S. Federal Reserve System, which will be announced a little later. In a statement, the Bank of Japan explained that the rate increase was based on the fact that wage growth is expanding, which encourages companies to shift increased labor costs to consumers through higher prices for services. Wednesday promises to be one of the most eventful days for traders and investors. On this day, important decisions will be made and data will be published that can significantly affect the market. In addition to the decision on the Bank of Japan's rate, traders are waiting for the decision of the U.S. Federal Reserve. Other data will also be published, including indicators of the United States labor market. All these events are taking place against the backdrop of falling global stocks, the S&P 500 and Nasdaq indices, as well as U.S. Treasury bond yields after Microsoft warned of a slowdown in the return on investment in artificial intelligence technologies. The dollar reached a 3-week high on the index this week, exceeded the 155.00 yen mark and was fixed at the highest level since November against the Chinese yuan, although it ended trading in the United States in a defensive position. Given all of the above risks and events, as well as the escalation of tensions in the Middle East, the markets are in a very sensitive state. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.